In this video, I will show you how you can get the best discounts for card. So let's get started. Now, what you can do is you can go to card.co, or you can go to the link in the description to save yourself some time. Alright, and then tap on Open Dashboard and tap on Pro right there. Then scroll all the way down. And under referral code, you need to fill in a code. And that code that you need to fill in is D6BKC26K. Alright, and then tap on Apply. And what happens when you fill in that code, you will see this referred by, and then you see this code. I will also leave, again, like I said, the link in the description, so you can directly tap on that code to save yourself some time. But what happens when you fill in that code, basically this code scans for all the best discounts available right now, so you are basically ensured that you get the best deal for your for card. This way, you don't pay too much, but what is usually the case with card is that they don't offer any special discounts because they are already really cheap. So that is very nice. So as you can see, $9 per year for Pro Lite, $19 and $50. Alright, so this way you are kind of ensured that you have the best deal available, and then just tap on Select Plan. Alright, so that is basically it. If this video is helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.